Don't lie about your mother. Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. This video is a little bit offbeat, a little bit strange, but it's about a recent interaction we had with someone who wanted to hire us. So this person had filed an I-130 petition for his mother and his father. And this I-130 had been pending for a long time, and USCIS sent him a request for evidence. Now, one of the things that we notice in cases involving parents and children is that if the birth certificate was generated long after the child was born, we've been seeing more and more pushback on that. And some countries don't do birth certificates as a matter of course. Some just do it in certain circumstances, or if you're born in the city, at the hospital, and they don't do them for people that are born at home. But in any event, we've been seeing more and more pushback on these old documents that weren't generated when the person was born, but were later generated and are just a computer printout of information that the people gave to the local registry. And so we had a situation this week where someone told us about his request for evidence, and the request for evidence asked for a bunch of supplemental evidence to show that the mother and father were indeed the parents of the child. The request for evidence also directed them to, if they wanted to, submit DNA tests. And this is a routine thing. We see this from time to time. But in this particular situation, the potential client told Marwan that he didn't want to do the DNA test. And we thought that was strange. So my wife, Amani, who's such a good lawyer, pushed back on that. And she said, Marwan, call him back and find out why he doesn't want to do the DNA test. So after some hem and hawing and some back and forth, the guy admitted that these people were not his parents. He was trying to sponsor someone who were not his parents as his parents. So of course, that's immigration fraud, and that's something that can get you into both criminal trouble and immigration trouble. So we notified him right away that we had no interest in representing him, and that we suggested that he not commit any more immigration fraud. So that case is probably dead on arrival, but it's just an example of why we have to push back sometimes, because people don't always want to tell us the truth. I was talking to somebody the other day here in the office that some clients think, or potential clients think, that the only reason you hire an immigration lawyer is if you have a fake case. And of course that's not the case. We help real people get real cases approved all the time, and we're not interested in putting our law licenses at risk by filing fake cases. So we turned that client down, and we would expect any good lawyer to do so. So we're not looking for accolades, we're just telling you the story. If you have questions about this or about sponsoring your parents for a green card, give us a call at 314-961-8200. You can email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. Be sure to join us in our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. And if you like this video, we ask you please share it out on social so that you get updates whenever we make videos just like this one. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.